Join me as I take on the challenge of raising my own backyard chickens to get fresh eggs and juicy meat. Can I do it without losing my mind? Let's find out. Did you know that raising chickens can give you a steady supply of farm-fresh eggs and quality meat right from your backyard? In this video, I'll show you how simple, practical, and rewarding it is to start your own flock, even as a beginner. Today, more and more people are concerned about where their food comes from. Store-bought eggs can be weeks old, and meat often comes from factory farms with questionable practices. Wouldn't it be better if you could take back control and raise your own food at home? The good news is, you can, and you don't need a huge farm to do it. With just a little space and the right approach, your backyard can become a small, productive homestead. First, choose the right breed. If you want eggs, go for layers like Rhode Island Reds or Leghorns. If you're aiming for meat, Cornish Cross is a fast-growing favorite. Or go dual-purpose with breeds like Plymouth Rocks or Orpingtons. Next, build or buy a chicken coop with good ventilation, nesting boxes, and secure fencing. Feed your flock a balanced diet with layer feed or grower feed, plus occasional kitchen scraps and fresh water. Chickens also need space to roam. Free-ranging helps reduce feed costs and improves egg quality. Keep the coop clean, watch for signs of illness, and give them plenty of sunshine and love. Over time, you'll bond with your birds, and they'll reward you with the freshest eggs. And, when the time comes, meat you can feel good about. Watching your backyard transform into a self-sustaining food source is something truly special. It's not just about food. It's about freedom, health, and connection to nature. Raising backyard chickens is more than just a hobby. It's a lifestyle shift. You'll eat better, feel more independent, and gain a deeper appreciation for your food. If this inspired you, don't stop here. Check out our other homesteading tips and videos. Like, comment, and share your own chicken raising stories below. Let's grow together.